Duplicate an existing scenario to preserve the baseline. Adjust headways to model a revised service plan. Recalculate ridership based on the modified service levels. Compare modified plan with the original plan and see that the differences of service KPIs, such as required number of vehicles or service costs per scheduled day. Assess service efficiency, including the ratio of offered capacity to passenger demand. Analyze vehicle occupancy, passenger volumes, and boarding/alighting behavior. Visualize passenger travel patterns across the network, including stop-level insights. Assess changes in passenger behavior and identify any resulting overcrowding on alternative services due to the modified plan.